Today I'm making a Japanese-inspired Kani salad. Let's start with the dressing. You're going to want mayonnaise. I started with about 1/4 cup. Rice vinegar. First grated ginger. Rice vinegar to taste. I added some paprika. Some salt. I wish I had sriracha, but I was out. Whisk well and put aside. You want to peel and shred a mango. Peel and shred a large cucumber. Add to the bowl. I bought these imitation crab stick snackers. I used about 6 ounces. You can shred these very easily by hand. Now you're going to add your dressing. Mix well. I scooped it in a bowl, and the best part is you can add whatever toppings you like. I added avocado and some panko breadcrumbs. Now you can enjoy your salad just like this, or you can try out rice wraps. I wanted to try these spring roll wrappers by Blue Dragon. You have to immerse it in water for about 15 seconds until it becomes pliable. Then very gently take it out and place it on a damp tea towel or cloth. Isn't that cool? And now I transferred it to the plate that I'm going to use. Take some of the filling, place it in the center of the rice wrap. Fold the top and the bottom so that it keeps the filling inside. Now you're going to roll it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more.